First, place the glass cover into the tempering machine. The heating elements then heat the glass to a temperature close to its softening point. Mold is used to shape the heated glass. The glass is transferred to the cooling area, where high-speed air nozzles blow cold air onto the surface, rapidly cooling and solidifying the glass. This glass cover tempering machine is primarily used to transform ordinary glass into tempered glass, endowing it with characteristics such as impact resistance,